Ready to unleash your creativity with Adobe Creative Cloud, completely free, without handing over your credit card. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website using your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, you should see a prominent button or link that says free trial or something similar. Click on that button to begin the process. Now, you'll need to create an Adobe account if you don't already have one. This usually involves providing your email address, setting a password, and filling out some basic personal information, like your name and date of birth. If you already have an Adobe account, simply log in using your credentials. This is the crucial step. You might see a section asking for payment information, particularly credit card details, but pay close attention. Look for a small text that confirms if submitting payment information is optional, and follow instructions to click this option if that option is available. Proceed to follow the instructions accordingly. Once you've successfully navigated past the payment section, you'll be directed to a page to select the Adobe apps you want to try. Choose the apps you're most interested in, like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. After you've selected your apps, download them. After the apps are downloaded and installed, launch the applications. You will be prompted to sign in with the Adobe account you just created or logged into. Now you can access any of the functions. For the next 14 days, you can explore and experiment with the full suite of Adobe Creative Cloud apps, free of charge. This is a fantastic opportunity for beginners and anyone wanting to test the software before committing to a paid subscription. Remember to keep an eye on the trial countdown so that you can decide how you want to proceed with your Adobe journey. Enjoy creating.